Hey guys, what's up? So today we've got this IC CE school bus folding sales brochure. So I just got these not too long ago. There's actually the BE and the RE as well, which honestly I may just do them all in this one video since they're not that big. So these are all copyrighted 2004, so they're for 2005 model year buses. So there's the front page there. We're going to go ahead and open it up. So the inside looks like this. We've got a CE here. Looks to have visors on it. And there's the entire bus. So this would have been the first release for the second generation. So, you know, it would have been new to the industry at the time. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what all the text says around it, pointing out all the different features you can get on the bus. But yeah, pretty cool. Again, not the biggest sales brochure. It's not like the actual full-size 2004 model year CE, FE, RE sales brochures. Are like full-sized, you know, sales brochures. So that is the actual inside with the picture of the CE, and it points out all the different options. If you fold it back, you'll see here it says the bus built on common sense, and then we've got a picture of a CE with a lighted sign. And it says making the maintainer's job easier. You can see the different bullet points they've got there. Passengers always come first. So it's talking about that first bullet point is the no student left behind system, which I believe now is standard in all ICs. And then we've got this over here. Earning extra credit with drivers. Got the different points there if you'd like to read them. And then we got a picture of the driver's area. Personally, I have always liked the second generation driver's area. I've sat down in a few different second gens driver's areas and have always liked them. But you know, that's just me. And then that's it for the actual brochure. Here's the back with the IC logo. And then there's the front. So like I said, not very big. We'll go ahead and look at the BE as well. So there's IC logo, the front of the BE. We'll go ahead and look at this first this time. So it says not a cutaway, a cut above. And then right here you can pause to read if you'd like. Earning extra credit with drivers, just like the CE. There's the driver's area, which I don't think is any different from a CE. Right here we've got a picture of, looks like the engine area. And then just like the CE, it says making the maintainer's job easier with the different points. And then passengers always come first. So it's pretty much the same literature on the inside, just different pictures for each bus. And then a total solution for the real peace of mind. See, the BE200 is backed by the industry's best warranty. IC is the only small bus manufacturer to offer a integrated body, chassis, and engine warranty. And then if we open up, we've got this BE, which is Texas spec without a white roof, which is odd. So there's the BE. I personally have never been on or around an ICBE. It's just not something that was really common in Ohio. I mean, there are a few districts that had them, but it wasn't a real big thing, and we obviously never had any. So again, I'll show you the different points that it is pointing out around the actual bus. And you can pause to read them if you'd like. And then the back cover, that's pretty much it. Now we'll go ahead and look at the RE. So IC, RE, there's the front of an RE with the IC badge. We'll go ahead and look in here first. The rear engine bus that puts your needs front and center. And then right here, it looks like it's a little bit different than the CE and the BE. Earning extra credit with drivers. There's the driver's area, which is exactly the same as 66's driver's area when it comes to the overall design and shape. Then right here, pretty much the same bullet points as what the other two had. Right here it says making the maintainer's job easier. And then again, passengers always come first. Then open it up, you've got a nice Florida spec ICRE. Now this still has the high headroom differential, which for the second gen body design in general did not carry over to the CE or the BE. It was only something you saw on the RE and FE. I'm not really sure why. They eventually changed the whole roof design on the RE and the FE to fit like what it is on the CE. But it still had that older look. And again, I'll show you the bullet points if you'd like to pause to read. So, yeah. But this is really cool because now I have the Amtran RE, ICRE first and second gen sales brochures, so I'm pretty excited about that. As you guys know, I do like the IC Amtran RE since I happen to own one. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. There's the back cover of the ICRE. So here they are. You guys can see them all together here. Got the CE, the BE, and the RE. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah.